Having incredible amounts of confidence is incredibly important if you want to be successful in any area of life. When it comes to women, when it comes to your wealth, when it comes to your business, when it comes to your health and fitness, whatever. You need to have the confidence and you have the self-belief that you can do it and it is possible, because anything is possible if you believe in it. And so many people, the reason why they're not successful and the reason why they're not in the position that they could be at is because of their self-belief. And the reason why they're in the position that they are is because of their self-belief. They believe that, hey, this is where I belong. Hey, this is what I deserve subconsciously. And this is what people negotiate for. Because in reality, if you truly, truly believe that you deserve to be a millionaire, you'd be doing everything in your power to do that. But most people, they want to be millionaires. They want to have a lot of money. They want to have a lot of girls. They want to be super successful, but they don't negotiate for it. And everything in life, you don't get what you deserve in life, you only get what you negotiate. And if you truly believe you deserve it and you really, really want it, you're going to negotiate for it and you're going to get it. Very, very simple. So a great confidence booster would just be to believe in yourself. Literally, confidence is knowing you can do something successful. That's it. It is, hey, I'm going to go talk to this girl and everything's going to end up perfectly and we're going to be in a happy relationship, we're going to get married. Whatever the fuck you want to tell yourself. Hey, you tell yourself that. If you truly believe that, that is going to be true. Because the guy who says he can and the guy who says he can't are both fucking right at the end of the day. And so if you truly, truly believe that, hey, no matter what fucking happens, I'm going to be super happy. This girl's going to be super happy. We're both going to have fun and it's going to be exciting, whatever. That's going to give you a lot of confidence before talking to a girl, before you go into something. And same thing with business. Hey, before I launch this thing, before I share this thing to the world, people are going to fucking love it. And here's the thing. If people don't love it, the girl doesn't like you, the girl is not interested in you, who fucking cares? At least you went in it believing in yourself. Because the only person who's going to believe in yourself is you at the end of the day. No one's going to do it for you. So it's way better to go into something believing you're going to win, and if you do end up failing for whatever reason, who fucking cares? On to the next bitch. On to the next business. It doesn't matter, right? But so many people care what other people think and it stops them from doing it in the first place. I've been rejected by so many fucking girls. I've lost so much fucking money. I have failed at so many things, but is it really failure? Is it really losing if you learn from it? No, because I gained experience from all these things. But the only reason why I gained the experience is because I was willing to take action and put myself out there because I believed in myself that everything would be all right. So you need to apply that to your lives. You guys need to believe that, hey, no matter what, everything's gonna be okay. Because here's the reality, everything is gonna be okay. You're not gonna fucking die if that girl rejects you. Nothing's gonna happen. Everyone's gonna forget about that shit in like fucking 10 minutes, bro. You're gonna walk on, talk to another girl, and now that other girl that denied you is not even in your fucking brain at all. Now the only thing you're thinking about is how well things are going with this next girl. So don't allow those things to stop you from taking action. My success secret number 1 is going to be your mindset and how you view yourself and what you believe in. A lot of people believe in external things that don't even matter. You believe in money, you believe in these authority figures, you believe in these scientists and doctors, you believe in these movies that you watch, but none of these things actually help you. The only thing that's actually going to help you is yourself. And when it comes to believing in yourself, you can't even do it. That's the funny thing. A lot of people believe in so much bullshit, but when it comes to yourself, you don't believe in yourself. You're not willing to bet in yourself. You're not willing to put yourself out there. You're not willing to do and take action and possibly fail because you don't believe in yourself. However, if you do believe in yourself and you know, hey, I am the shit, I am that guy, and I can achieve anything I put myself into by taking the proper action and learning and reading and applying that stuff, that is what's going to make you successful. There's too many of you guys who just fucking read and watch shit. You guys listen to podcasts all day, but you guys don't take any action because you're trying to nail it down and make it perfect. Nothing's gonna be perfect, bro. Make your first video, start your first business, do whatever, talk to that fucking girl. Because if you don't, and you think that, oh, I need to do this, I need to do that to be fucking perfect. Dude, by the time everything's perfect, you are fucking dead. You will never be perfect by the time you die either. So it doesn't even fucking matter, just fucking do it. Success secret number 2 is having the right team, having the right people around you. So many of you guys surround yourself with low quality men, low quality women, toxic friend groups, and people who are not supportive of you and your goals and your dreams. Sadly, most of you guys are still probably at home living with your parents, or you guys are very close to family members who don't even believe in you either. School doesn't believe in you. The news doesn't believe in you. The media doesn't believe in you. The Matrix doesn't believe in you. The only person who's going to believe in you is yourself. And if you have good quality friends around you who believe in you, that is incredibly fucking valuable, because so many people do not understand how much that negativity and those negative beliefs are holding them down and limiting them from achieving success. Because if all you hang around is a bunch of losers and you hang around a bunch of naysayers and people who say no, you can't, it's going to hold you back. However, if you surround yourself with a bunch of people to tell you, yeah, you can do it, send it, bro. Like, why are you afraid? And they push you and they make you become more successful. You will be the sum of those people that you surround yourself with. And everyone understands you're the sum of the 5 people you spend the most time with. Everyone can agree with that, but then they still spend most of their time with a bunch of toxic women, a bunch of low quality friends, a bunch of loser guy friends, family members who don't believe in them, whatever. You need to avoid these people at all costs. You need to limit your time, your attention, your energy, and your thoughts towards these people. You need to spend more time with people who believe in you, they want to invest in you, they want to work with you, whatever. That's who you need to spend more time with. Those are the people that are going to help you become super successful. Success secret number 3 is building out your schedule on Google Calendar. This is a huge thing that people underestimate. Your calendar is going to help you become super fucking successful. And the first thing I tell all my guys who join the Brotherhood or any of my coaching groups or any of the things that I'm in is build out a calendar and prioritize and spend the most time on what is helping you reach your goals.